Hi friends, so this is a part 2 of the video just prepared earlier um, regarding balance between the inner masculine and the inner feminine. So here in this video I would like to speak more about what are the symptoms that you are already balanced from within, because children sorry I mean not children. I'm just used to say this word children because I'm a teacher by profession. So, it suddenly slip of tongue. Sorry, my dear friends. Um, unless and until there is a balance from within. Okay, listen carefully. Unless and until there is a balance from within, that is, unless we have balanced our inner masculine and inner feminine, we cannot have reunion in the physical. There is no reunion in the physical unless there is reunion within yourself on the twin flame journey. This is the truth. Okay, believe and trust in this. So establishing balance within is the first step. So let's try to do it. I'll just tell you what are the symptoms. How can you actually make out that you are on the verge of balancing? You are on the way of reunion into physical. Okay, so the first thing I would mention here is, you've heard about the Lord Shiva consciousness, right? Now when I speak about Lord Shiva consciousness, please do not feel that I'm trying to promote Hinduism or something. No, I'm not in favor of promoting any religion here. This is my experience. What I'm talking here on the video is my experience, my own experience. Okay, you know what happens earlier when you're unbalanced, when you hear about Lord Shiva chanting, meaning whether you hear in the surroundings, or you pass by some of the temples and you hear that, okay, or you listen to some videos on YouTube, or even when you listen some people talking about Lord Shiva, you feel disconnected. You feel, I must not listen to it, it's not meant for me. Okay, or some fear resides within. When you think about Lord Shiva, you can't connect with that consciousness instantly. You can't connect, you can't. And the moment you are into balance, there is a natural connect between you and the Lord Shiva consciousness. Okay, you feel like chanting that mantra, or you feel like listening to the mantra chanting on the YouTube videos or elsewhere. So that's the first thing. Okay, then secondly, you are fearless. You are just fearless. You can express yourself very well when you are balanced. Okay, and when you are not balanced, you are all the time fearful. You think about how you would be, even if you express yourself, how people would think, how people would respond, or rather how people would react. You are more of that. Okay, but when you are balanced, you are just fearless. You know that you have to express, you want to express. All right, then there is, you don't have any problem communicating with your DMDF telepathically. All right, when you are balanced, there is a free flow of energy between the two of you. You can feel that, you can clearly feel that energy around you all the time, and you can clearly communicate with them. That natural telepathy just starts flowing, very fluently between the two of you. This is when you're balanced. And when you're not balanced, even if you sit in meditation, even if you try to establish that balance, or try to establish that contact, you cannot do it. You are distracted, your mind is disturbed, or you cannot connect with your DMDF. Okay, then see, these are the things that are coming to my mind. Okay, it is just my experience. It's not written somewhere in the books and I'm reading out to you. It's not like that. So when you remember your counterpart, okay, you are in pain when you are not balanced. You are in pain, like you remember them You remember all those sorrowful moments that you had with your DMDF when you are not balanced. And when you are balanced, you remember them, you remember those good times that you spent together. And you remember with a relief, with peace, with joy in your heart. Okay. So let me stop here. Third part of the video, we'll do it in the next part. Okay. Bye for now.